Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in again. For this week, I'm going to show you guys how I crochet these Senegalese twists in my hair. So first we're going to start with your braid pattern. I did 8 braids to the back, and please be nice. Do not mind my braid pattern. But once I braided them all to the back, I secured it in between the braids, which you can see, and I used needle and thread that I got from Sally's. It was about $3. So you're gonna need a latch tool to do these crochet Senegalese twists from the beauty supply store, and it was about $3, I think. But you just want to make sure that it's closed when you slide it underneath the braid. Here you see me struggling a little bit because it opened as I was sliding it under, but you just want to make sure that it's closed so you don't snag your hair. So the good thing about these is that they already come pre-twisted. So what you're gonna want to do is take that open-ended loop and put it onto the latch hook where you see that opening in the middle. Once you get the latch hook, you're gonna close it. I struggle a little bit here. I missed the looped end, but once I get it down there, then I'm gonna close the latch hook as you see me doing now, and then I'm gonna pull it underneath the braid and push it to the base. And then I'm going to take the end of the hair and put it through the latch hook, and then I'm going to push the hair back a little bit and then close it. Then I'm going to push the hair through and pull it until it's secured. See, as simple as that. You're going to do this all over the hair. What I would do next time is probably do bigger twists. But just side note, back to what we're doing. Just showing you again, you're gonna put the latch hook underneath the braid closed, and then you're gonna take one of the twists and put it onto the latch hook with the looped end, as you see me doing. And once you get that on there, you're gonna close that latch hook, and then you're gonna pull it underneath the braid, pull it through, and then push that twist to the base of the latch hook, and then take the end of the hair, put it onto the latch hook, close it, and push that hair that was at the base through. And then you're gonna just, from here, use your hands and pull it until it's secured to that braid that you have on your head. Here I am just showing it again if you wanna just watch. But things I would do next time, I would definitely use bigger, chunkier braids. Not too chunky, but chunkier, because my braid pattern is it's not as neat. So I think it'd be easier to hide my braid pattern if I had bigger, chunkier twists. But yeah, just watch me as I'm doing it, and then that's it. You just do that all over your head, but don't make sure you don't do too many, because it'll be too heavy on your head. That's a tip I have for you. And that is it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.